Hello, my name is Sarah Falk, and I am super excited to introduce you to Young Living's 2019 Premium Starter Kit. So we're going to jump right in. This Premium Starter Kit comes with 12 essential oils and an ultrasonic diffuser, as well as a bunch of other cool things that I'll show you in a minute. This is the Desert Mist Diffuser, and it comes in a wide range of colors. I'll change the colors here for you. Lots of different colors. And it vibrates the water and puts the essential oil up into the air. And so I love to use it to help clean the air in my home and help give a good scent in the air without having any bad chemicals. So that's the diffuser that comes with the starter kit. And inside this box are all sorts of amazing goodies. So let's open it up. So here is our box here. And inside this, I've got a set of oils that slides right out. Now I'm going to run through really quickly some of these different oils, and I can give you some more in-depth information about what each one does. And also in your kit, there are some papers that come that are a great resource. This is our essential oils at a glance that goes over each of the different oils in the starter kit. And this is a book that's about discover your Young Living lifestyle. Because Young Living has essential oils, but we also have a wide range of other products, over 700 different products. And you can use these for every aspect of your home, for your family, for your pets, for your makeup and your skincare. It's really amazing the wide variety that Young Living offers. And this booklet will give you lots of details about it. All right, now to the oils. So these are 5 ml bottles of oil, and they are 100% the oil in the bottle. The oils that you find in the stores and lots of places online are diluted, and so they're not near as powerful. The regulations in the US for labeling are very, very, very loose. And so a company can write 100% pure, therapeutic grade, organic on the bottle, and those labels actually don't really mean a thing. But Young Living is a company that's been in existence for over 25 years, and they stand behind their seed to seal guarantee that says 100% pure, therapeutic grade, no chemicals, no synthetics, never ever. We've been using these oils since 2012, and they are amazing. I love them for my entire family. So what have I got in here? In this kit, we have peppermint, lemon, thieves, citrus fresh, Digize, Raven, Valor, Panaway, Lavender, Frankincense, and wait, there's more. Down in the bottom of this box, we have even more goodies. So in here, there's Peace and Calming, Stress Away, 2 packets of Ninja Red, which is our wolfberry drink. You get a Thieves Household Cleaner packet, so you can try out Thieves Household Cleaner. I use that to clean literally everything in my house, from toilets to floors to countertops, everything. It's amazing, even glass and windows. And then also I have a bottle of Thieves Hand Purifier, and this is what we use to clean our hands when we're out and about. Every time I leave a store, Thieves Hand Purifier. On my kiddos, when they come out of the playground, right? Everywhere. I love this stuff. So that is our super quick introduction to the Young Living Premium Starter Kit for 2019. Thank you very much.